Welcome to your weekly UAS news update. We have 4 stories for you this week. Amazon is starting to ship medical deliveries with drones. Interesting. Aloft wins an innovation challenge, and then a company is equipping drones with AI to fight wildfires, which is awesome. And then lastly, we have a Pilot Institute update. Let's get to it. Well, first up this week is Amazon, who has announced that they will be delivering medicines in College Station, Texas, which is where they have one of their testing sites. This is Prime Air, if you don't know what the Amazon name is for their drone delivery company. Prime Air is aiming to transport medicine to homes within 60 minutes of ordering, and it includes over 500 medication for the flu, asthma, and pneumonia. Amazon hopes to do same-day delivery over 500 million packages a year, which yes. And recently, we've seen a number of layoffs suggesting that their drone program was actually dying. So we'll have to wait and see if this is a turnaround or last-ditch effort to maybe save the program. I find it really interesting that it took them this long to realize that this is actually a type of delivery that makes sense. This is the type of delivery that will actually make a difference. Delivering tube socks is definitely not where it's supposed to be, at least in my opinion. I've been pretty vocal about this for years, but I hate to say it in a sense, but I'm kind of glad that they're realizing this and that they're going to be using drones for something that actually matters. Next up this week is Aloft, and this is cool. They won the Genius New York Challenge for Innovation. The win means that Aloft will be provided with $500,000, which is a nice lump sum right here, which will be used to expand their team in New York. Josh Ziering said that, and quote,
"Securing this win at Genius New York is not just a testament to the innovation and hard work of the Aloft team, but also underlines the promise and potential of our growing partnerships in the state of New York. With the support and visibility that comes with this investment, we're poised to continue growing Aloft at an even faster pace."
If you're somewhat not familiar with Aloft, they're the largest lens provider in the country and our preferred lens app by far. They include fleet management, flight tracking, flight planning, incident tracking, and then also lens. So if you'd like to learn more about Aloft, we actually have a free deep dive that shows you how to use their app because there's just so many options available in it. Third up this week is a company called Data Blanket, whose mission is to use AI to fight woodland fires, which is really cool. Living in an area that is prone to wildfires, I think this is a great initiative. This startup was launched last year, and then their goal is to use drones to determine where resources should be allocated to effectively fight the fire. Data Blanket uses a drone manufactured by Ascent Aero, which is called a Spirit. It's a coaxial drone that's capable of flying in extreme conditions, extreme temperatures, and then also weather, including wind in excess of 40 miles an hour, rain, and then temperatures up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Data Blanket has taken the Spirit and they put AI in it, and then a custom payload, and then swarming technology to map fires and conduct search and rescue mission, which is just outstanding. So they hope to conduct pilot programs in late 2024 and early 2025, obviously pending at this stage FAA approval for flying beyond visual line of sight. And your final story this week is about us. We just passed 80,000 people in our Part 107 course, which is just absolutely amazing. 80,000 subscribers on this channel, coincidentally at the same time, roughly, and then 169,000 trust certificates. And then we just looked at the stickers that we shipped, 27,000 free stickers we've shipped so far. And we're shipping them now with remote ID labels, actually. So big thank you to those of you that follow us, those of you that buy the courses, enroll in the free courses. That makes a difference as well. Your support is definitely what makes all of this possible. We just released the DJI Air 3 deep dive in case you haven't seen it, and then the Mini 4 deep dive as well. And then there's an Inspire 3 deep dive that's in our queue right now. I think it's going to be shipped either by the time this video goes live or early next week. So, and then also last up, sorry about missing our scheduled live event this week. We somehow get busy around the office putting out quite a few fires. And then when we finally stopped to think, it was actually 4:15 p.m. for a 4 p.m. live event. So I apologize if you were waiting over there and for wasting your time, but we'll be back on Monday. We'll put several reminders. And then in the meantime, you have a great weekend and we'll see you next week.
Hey Greg, after you're done messing around on your phone, what would happen if there was an emergency and the airplane set was flooding with water.
Oh, easy. Poncho. Wow. 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 Cold.
David Blaine's
No, it hurts actually. No, I can't.